Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn the app theme to light on your account on Pinterest easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here. Now click settings. Now click account management and here we'll find app theme. Just click on it and choose light and that's it. It will be turned on, and that's how to turn the app theme to light on your account on Pinterest easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.